A criminal investigation into General Motors will be settled after the auto giant pays a fine of about $900 million. The agreement with federal prosecutors comes after more than 100 people died and hundreds more were injured due to an ignition switch defect in GM cars. The defect caused some cars to shut off and disabled power steering, power brakes, and airbags. Deaths and injuries have been reported in connection with the defect for more than a decade. A recall of the 2.6 million affected cars didn't come until more than a decade after some employees were made aware of the safety risk. According to the Wall Street Journal, the deal will likely charge General Motors with criminal wire fraud for allegedly covering up information about the ignition problem. But unnamed sources say there will likely not be any charges against individual employees at the company, something one victim's mom is unhappy about. She told the New York Times that's giving GM and other auto manufacturers permission to do it again. And all of the people who were killed in these crashes, including my daughter, will have lost their lives in vain. Another victim's daughter-in-law told the Times, if a corporation plays nice and agrees to the terms, then the government gets some nice money and the victims are just left in the dust. The expected payout by GM is less than the recent scandal involving Toyota. The Japanese automaker recently paid a penalty of about $1.2 billion for concealing information about defects in its own car models. For Newsy, I'm Katie Link.